Hello everyone. Today we will learn phrasal verbs with examples. Give up means to stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams. Put off means to postpone. We need to put off the meeting until tomorrow. Set up means to arrange or organize. I need to set up the table for dinner. Turn up means to increase the volume. Please turn up the volume. Turn down means to decrease the volume. Please turn down the volume. Break down means to stop functioning. The car broke down on the highway. Call off means to cancel something. The school called off the picnic because of the rain. Hold on means to wait. Hold on a minute, I will be right back. Work out means to exercise. He works out at the gym regularly. Carry out means to perform or execute. He carried out the plan successfully. Use up means to consume completely. She used up all the cookies. Write down means to record on paper. She writes down her ideas in her diary. Take up means to begin a new activity. She took up painting last year. Look up means to search for information. He is looking up the answer. Bring up means to start discussing a new topic. He brought up the new project in the meeting. Carry on means to continue doing something. Carry on with your reading. Come across means to find unexpectedly. She came across an interesting book at the library. So today we have learned so many phrasal verbs. Now answer this question. Thanks for watching.